What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan Maxima remote key fob. This Nissan Maxima key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do in order to change the battery is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on. Hold that release and then the emergency key will slide out like that. We can set that to the side. Now what I'm going to do is grab a smaller flathead screwdriver, and if we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's these two notches, one right here and one right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in either one of those notches, make sure it's all the way pushed in, and then I'm just going to twist it. And as I do that, it starts to split the two halves of the case apart. Then I'm going to take my screwdriver and just carefully work my way around. And then once it's split far enough apart, you can pull the two halves apart like that. In the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. If you grab your screwdriver, there's a little cutout in this holder that you can get your screwdriver under the battery, get it out of that holder. Now we'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down on the case like that. Snap that into place, and then we'll snap the two halves of the shell together. Make sure that's all the way snapped together. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.